Hi, Attorney Lee Drizin with valuable information that's going to help differentiate you, the real estate licensee, from your competitors. Today we're going to talk about transfer on death deeds, or in Nevada as we call them, deeds upon death. A deed upon death, simply put, is a deed that's executed by the owner of the property that states that upon their death, the property is going to be transferred to one or more beneficiaries. It's an incredibly valuable estate planning device because, quite frankly, it avoids probate. You don't have the probate fees, the time, the attorney's fees, or the delay to transfer that property. More importantly, unlike joint property, where you're adding someone on the title, with a deed upon death, that doesn't happen so that person never gets control of the property during the owner's lifetime. But more importantly, the creditors of that beneficiary don't get access to that property. What's important for real estate licensees to understand about deeds upon death is that it's not a completed gift. And what that means is that it's not an encumbrance or a restriction. Therefore, the property can be sold, the deed upon death simply becomes void and disappears. As great as this device is, there's a couple drawbacks. First of all, you got to be careful for what you wish for. I recently had a family that had executed a deed upon death. Mom and dad left the property in the deed to the 4 kids equally. However, years later, they had executed wills leaving the property to just one of the kids. That one kid came to me years later after mom and dad had passed away, and because the will did not revoke the deed upon death, she did not get the entire property. The other issue we're running into deals with title problems. Creditors, by law, have 18 months to go after property that is being transferred by a deed upon death if it turns out the probate estate is not sufficient. So the problem that you run into is that the title company will not issue the policy for 18 months. However, at the Drizin firm, we have developed a technique that has been used successfully on numerous occasions to address that problem. So for more information about transfer on death deeds or about the techniques that we are using to deal with the 18-month limitations, give us a call or visit our website.